After 4 months of learning how to play solos, you should be able to play this and play it well. This is a very simple guitar lick in the key of A. I'm going to teach you some 2, 3, 4 licks that can help you very well. This is a quick one. Please learn it as it is. I'll give you the notes. I'll look on the neck diagram. I think that will be easier. I've realized I concentrate more on advanced students than intermediates and beginners. So I would want to shift attention a little and concentrate on the beginners and then intermediate students also. I'm going to use up and down strokes of the pick throughout. This is a very important exercise. Thank you very much and enjoy this lesson. Very beautiful lick. I'm not going to play any difficult thing today. I'm going to play something very soft. In case you will need the backing rhythm to do this, hey, please, I'm going to leave a link. Click on it and then practice it slowly with it. I'm Pastor Georgespratz, also known as Georgespratz. In case you haven't subscribed to my channel, do it. There are many essential guitar tutorials on our channel. And if you subscribe, please click on the notification bell so in case we upload any new video, you don't miss it. Good luck. See you again and soon.